Today we'll make a Lego device called from the gadgets and build 11 machines, the Catapult. Here's the Catapult. See, now I'm going to shoot on this book. Okay? So let's just put it like this. These are the obstacles I'll use. Let me show you. First is my toy King Toad. See, such an beautiful animal, isn't it? 2 erasers and a paper ball from a plastic ball. Oh, bouncy. Isn't it? Okay. So let's shoot. Let's see who can reach to here at the robot, or who can reach at the robot. If the means who can reach here. So if this comes here, so that one. Let's do this. First, let's try it with the eraser. You have to hold this. Oh, man! It just pushed the white line and it hit it here. It's close. The white side. Now let's do that. Oh, not that close. It hit it on Saturn. So it gets 10 points, and this one, and here it gets 5 points. So this one gets 5 points, and this one gets 10 points. Okay? Now we are going to do this paper ball. Wait, let's try it again. That was the power. Oh, it hit it here. 5 points more. Now we're asked, which one will be it? Let's see. Oh, let's try it again. Wait, this was because of the light. Oh, it hit it on the foot. It gets 25 points. So who's our winner? This is first. This is second. This is third. And this is fourth. Okay, now we'll cut the video because I have to pull all the things out. So that's why I cut the video. Bye bye. Okay, so I have just pulled up every piece as I mentioned the photo there. So this is page number 13, second machine called the Catapult. This is how your machine will look like. And see? Yeah. Okay. Now let's build it. I will show 1, 2, then I'll show 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay? So let's do 1 and 2. So if this is you have a blue 1 into 12 Technic brick, right? This blue Technic brick. Then add these 1 into 2 Technics. Your piece should look something like this. Okay? Or this should be like this. Now you collect your 4 and 4 of these, 2 left. We put this like this, and let's put this 2. Okay, I did a mistake. You know, sometimes you should also be careful when you're doing these kind of things. This is the Lego one, right? So yeah. It looks like a crocodile opening its mouth, isn't it? Oh, gosh, it. Now you have to put this. One will be left and right. Exact. Double check here. Okay. Now we'll put this too. Same thing you had done. this, you have to put this here. Then you will put these two here so that when you put this like this, they won't move. You have to put this here to make it flexibly tight. Double check. Okay. Now you have to do 9 steps. Thread the tube into the axle. Means this will go here. Then you attach the single double angular beam to complete the lever. You see, you put this and you put this. You have to be also put this as well. Okay. All set. All done. Now for the second final step. You bring this, what I have already done. You put this like this. Then you put this like this. And on the 12 steps, you put this bushing here. It's done! But you have to hold it like this. See, now let's try it with these objects. Aren't you excited? Okay. So we'll put this one. Let's see who will win. Let's see. This is the target, okay? Yeah. Oh, wow! This was much better. It did it here. 20 points. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow. Wow. What happened? This was fine. Oh, close. Hit it here on crocodile. You know which points he gets? 1, 5, another 5, another 5. 5 into 3 is 15. So 15 is the right answer and it gets 15 points. No, he can't do it. So this is the sequence. This is bigger and this is lower. Now let's test it on this. Where did it land? It landed here. 20 points. Then we'll have a battle between these two. Now the last one, King or Toad? Okay, okay. Wait, this had to see the line again. Let's just put it like forward. Ooh! Had it on the arm. 20 points. So let's try it again because 3 got 20 points. Let's try it with the eraser pen. Ooh, crocodile. No, says the eraser. I'm just making up a cartoon commentary. Let's just put this. Ooh, 20 points. Not 20 points. It hit it here. Oh my god. Now it gets only 12 points. Or 18 points. 18. Now last of but not least, the king roll. Oh, let's try it again. But it was my hand touched. Oh, got 20 points and this wins. So, did you enjoy the game? So please share my video to become more popular by liking and sharing it with your friends and family. And if you want to see more of my videos, all you have to do is click on that red button, the subscribe button, and don't forget to ring the bell. And I'll see you next time.